The Barcelona coach, Luis Enrique, has denied that Gerard Piqué got himself deliberately booked in order to serve a suspension against Arsenal in the second leg and have a clean slate for a probable Champions League quarter-final in April. After Messi scored from the penalty spot to put Barca 2-0 ahead, Piqué went to the touchline and had a quick conversation with the coach as the pair covered their mouths with their hands. Soon after that, Piqué went rushing in with a late lunge on Arsenal substitute Danny Welbeck and was booked by the Turkish referee, Cüneyt Çakır. However, Luis Enrique denied any skullduggery. No, it was not a deliberate foul by Gerard Piqué, he had to commit that foul, he said. There was nothing deliberate about it at all. The holders won the last 16 first leg tie 2-0 with second half goals from Lionel Messi, including a penalty, as they moved closer to becoming the first team to lift the European Cup in successive seasons since Milan in 1989 and 1990. I liked everything from the very beginning, Luis Enrique said. We had plenty of possession, we defended very well and we managed Arsenal's transitions very well. They are one of the best teams in the world with their transitions, but we coped with them, kept the game level and then turned it in our favor. I liked everything that we did tonight and we were the deserved winners. We dealt with Arsenal's pressure really well in the second half and my players coped perfectly the whole match.
Sa balay, lagi standby, wala buhat sa tagan. Nag-iiga, sinasangatan, wapalupit sa kong nanay. Kanya naabot si Juan, nagdalaog, pakwan na alert ang nanay. Kaya pakwan sa makatami, sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwan. Umuuwan sa mutalapia, pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan, makitan, yuduli sa buwang at pakwan, buwang at pakwan. Umuuwan sa mutalapia, pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan, makitan, yuduli sa buwang at pakwan, buwang at pakwan. Yan ang istorya, bigay ako yaw o hinanggaw. Ibig ka man, yun na mo mga kalimutaw. Apan sa Jonathan naman ang wakyo na minaw. Kay gusto niya isang yaw ang kanyang hinanggaw. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa kata samot kalami ang pakwan, samot na kung matalik sikan makita Yudili sa puwang apakwan, puwang apakwan.